Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to give a little background, quick little intro, because obviously I'm wearing something different than what's going to be in the clips that you guys see next, but it is because I am doing a collab in this video with one of my really good YouTube friends. She's one of the first people that I became like really good YouTube friends with, and is somebody who has done amazing things. We create similar, you know, like lifestyle vlogs, those type of videos. We do similar things like that, and we wanted to make this video and collab with each other. So her name is Grace Taylor. I will have it pop up on the screen, as well as have her YouTube channel linked down below. She is amazing. She's so sweet. She's so nice. She's really doing such a good, amazing job on YouTube, and I'm so happy to be collabing with her finally. So today's video, we are doing a how to plan for a successful semester, like tips, tricks, like how to you know, stay organized, you know, all of that type of stuff. I'm in college and she is still in high school, so it is good to see like tips and tricks for me and also with her, and they both can like intertwine and go with each other. So that is what we're doing today. And if you're new here from Grace's channel, hi, my name is Brianna, and I post new videos every single Wednesday and every single Sunday for the most part. But I'm so happy you clicked on my video, and I'm so happy you came to watch me. So please subscribe if you haven't already, and that'll mean so much to me. Also turn on your post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's get started with today's great video. Alright, so as you guys can see here, I have all of my alarms on, and if you see here, it says every Monday, every Friday, Saturday, every Sunday, every Wednesday, every Tuesday and Thursday. So basically, usually most times when you get your schedule, you'll have the same classes that you have Mondays on Wednesdays, or every class you have Tuesdays will be on Thursdays, stuff like that. So for me, on Mondays I have to wake up at 6:45 because I have class at 8:30. You might think that's so early, but I will tell you guys that in a second why I do that. So every Monday I have for 6:45, and then every Friday and Saturday, I don't have classes Friday and I don't have classes on Saturday, which would pretty suck, but so I like to still wake up at a reasonable early time. I'm not saying 5 a.m. or anything like that, but I still like to wake up pretty early so I can, you know, get any homework done for that day, get any videos done for that day, just kind of feel productive and kind of make my day seem super long instead of waking up at 10 a.m. and then half the day is wasted already. And then every Sunday, again, I don't have school. I do work Sundays, so I like to wake up still pretty early, get laundry done, get any homework I have done, and be able to relax a little bit before I go to work at 5. So I have a timer for that. And then my Wednesday classes don't start until 11:30. Yeah, 11:30. So I wake up at 9:30, and then Tuesdays and Thursdays my classes start till 12. So I wake up at 9:50. So all you have to do is literally click add, and then whatever you want your time to be. So if I put like 8:45 a.m., you just click repeat, and it gives you the days of the week, so you don't have to go in every single day and be like, okay, like I'm just gonna put it for tomorrow, 8:45, save. You can literally have it repeat for even the whole week if you would like. That's what I did for high school. Just put it for all the days of the week, and then click back, and it says repeat all the weekdays. You can label it if you don't want to label it alarm. If you like are one of those people that keep going back to sleep, be like get up for school, you can literally label it so you know like it's important, like get up, and then you get to pick obviously like your sound. If you're the type of person that needs like an annoying thing to wake you up, there is a really annoying one, and I'll show you. It's so annoying, but if you're one of those people, I suggest doing that. And then just click save, and then now 8:44, or I clicked 8:44, it'll tell you to get up for school, but that's not going to be happening to me. So this is the best key to waking up early, getting into routine. This is a lifesaver. So along with waking up early and having your alarm set for the whole week and just nice and clean, the reason why you might see that if I have class at 12 and waking up at 9:45 and I'm not waking up at like 11 o'clock, an hour before. Well, number one, I'm a commuter, so it takes me about 15 minutes to drive, which is, you know, my times are still early. But for me, what I have always loved to do and have gotten into a good habit and routine of is I like to wake up earlier than when I have to leave, so that I give myself at least 2 hours or an hour where I get up, I get ready, eat breakfast, and I'm all done sitting on my couch, either watching YouTube videos, watching a show that I like on my laptop. I just like to sit or drink coffee while I'm doing that. I just sit, relax for at least an hour before I need to leave, because I like to start my mornings off on a good note. Like, you know, I'm doing something that makes me happy before I'm off to school, which if you don't like school, like, that would be a good thing to do, because you know you're enjoying your morning at least, so you don't feel like rushed. I hate feeling rushed. I hate just getting up, getting ready, and then I'm off to school. So I really recommend doing that. It makes me like such in a better mood in the morning. You know, listen to your favorite songs if you have to, whatever it takes. Just put yourself in a good mood in the morning and you'll feel so much better about it. So that's why I like to wake up early and, you know, get my mind ready for the day, and it really helps me. So I think you guys should all take that into consideration. You don't have to wake up like 5 hours before, but at least give yourself at least 30 minutes to do something you like to do before you're off to school, and you'll feel so good about it. Alright guys, so I'm sorry if you can hear construction going on behind me. They're like on and off, like cutting stuff, or I don't know. But the next thing on this list is getting yourself a planner. I've spoken about this a bunch of times. I'm sure you guys have heard, you know, get a planner, get a planner, get a planner. But really guys, get a planner. I have been using a planner ever since like when they would give us them in like elementary school and middle school. I was just always that type of person that loved to write down my like list of things that I need to do and check them off. I'm that type of person, but in college it is literally crucial to have a planner, because you're gonna forget due dates. They might not be reminding you every day like, oh, this is upcoming, and you know, it's good to get a head start on things that you know are coming, rather than them tell you a week before and you're like, oh shoot, I forgot. So this is the planner that I have. I got it from Target. You can get it from honestly anywhere, like Michael's, TJ Maxx, all those type of places I'm sure has them. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what I like to do with my planner and how I plan out for my semester and how I make it, you know, successfully pleasing, and you know, make it not boring and just about school and stuff like that. Okay, so first things first, I definitely recommend getting colorful pens. I got these from Staples in one pack, so you get so many different colors to color coordinate your classes. This is step one, so I'm gonna leave those right there. And then I just like to use one color highlighter for this anyways. You can use different highlighters if you want, but I just like to use yellow. So that is key, just getting those. So now we're gonna flip to the monthly overview, and on this side of mine anyways, there's a note section. So what I did was color coordinate what classes were going to be which colors. So I have sociology, psychology for child development, statistics, this writing class, my art, and then this like seminar class, I guess. So when you get to the monthly overview, you're going to have your dates. And what I like to do for this, as you can see, I already filled it out. I just take my syllabus. So I'm going to actually show you what a syllabus looks like if you haven't seen already. So usually they just have like, you know, the course description, whatnot. But when you flip to the back, most professors have a course calendar of, you know, when things are going to be due, what assignments are, you know, due when, like reading journals. Like these are the assignments. These are like the week, the dates, literally everything. So I have an article, like evaluation, have paper due, a group presentation, and then a paper due this day. So yeah, that's what most teachers, professors put into their syllabus at the end. So like important things, presentations, stuff like that. So what I like to do is I take out my course calendar and then I just go with the weeks and the corresponding dates for the class, and I write them in. Oh, and another thing that I like to do is when the day is done, or when I finish that homework assignment, I like to like just check off the day, because I'm like one day closer to finishing you know, the semester. And then like on the weekends I'll just add little notes like, oh, do this, what I already did. And I just wanted to like give you guys a breakdown of how I lay out like the month overview. I really just take everything that's like in the whole thing, even if it's just like a homework assignment and not a due date, I still put it in just so I remember I have homework upcoming, because I will tell you what I like to do with my homework in a second. But this is the month overview. So then when it comes to the day-to-day calendar, so what I would do is I would flip back, right? I would go here. For example, if I had to do, let's say, a reading journal, right? So where did I write it? Okay, so for example, the 23rd, on the Wednesday, I wrote each class and I say look over syllabus and start chapter 1 to take notes, because this class was Wednesday and this is the homework that I gave myself for the whole week until, you know, I had the class again. Statistics, so sociology, I wrote start chapter 1 journal, it is due next Wednesday. So I had a week to do it, but I still wrote it even though I had a week to do it, because I do my homework as I get it. So another tip for you guys, when I get my homework, I like to write it in as it's due the next day, or I just write it in my planner. Even if it's not due Thursday, I like to at least attempt to do it if I have free time, if I'm not working, or if I have other homework that's due the next day, I'll get that done first. But I still like to get my homework done way before it's due. I don't like to wait last minute. So I like to write my homework assignments in, look at my monthly overview, and then transfer to my day-to-day overview of what's upcoming, what I need to get done for what day, and whatnot like that. So that's why I really like my planner. Okay, so what I like to do in my computer calendar is go in and put in dates like midterms and finals, and that's it. I'm not going to put anything else, just so that I can have something if I need to know when my final is going to be, I put it in, and if I need to know when my midterm is going to be, because these are more like big crucial dates rather than like papers and stuff, because I still always refer to my planner no matter what. This is just like a backup if I need to know, you know, if I'm on my computer and I don't have access to my planner, I can just easily look it up, no hassle, really quickly. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. I actually didn't even put it in, so we're going to be doing this together. Alright guys, so as you can see here, for, let's go back to March, I don't have that many midterms actually. I just have my child development one, and then I have an in-class writing for my writing class. And then if you go to May, this is when finals are for me. I just put in my child development final, and then I put in my writing, like I have what's it called, and like I have to hand in my last essay that day. So then I have my statistics one, and then I have a sociology presentation. So that's all I really like to do. So that's all I really need to do for, or I really like to do on my, you know, computer calendar. I don't really like to put in everything there, but just because I most oftentimes did not look at my, you know, planner, and that's what really helps me. So that was the next step, and I just like transferred basically my dates from my planner just for like my midterms and finals. I just looked at it as a reference. So next, what you want to do is find your study place, find your study section, your homework section, whatever you want to call it. You need to find the right place for you, and it cannot be in your bed, because it's a very bad idea, it's a very bad habit. You're gonna get lazy, you're gonna get distracted, and you need to really find a place that you can concentrate. And for me, that is my kitchen table. I just love to sit here, get all my work done, and just lay everything out. I'm nice and comfy. I'm not like slouching on my bed with no support or anything, because I feel like that literally bothers me so much. Bothers my neck, bothers my back. So you need to find your place, your perfect place where you can, you know, relax, not be interrupted, and not distracted easily. So for me, I just like to set up my computer, my planner, folder, pens, and everything, and just like to sit at the table. You know, it's hard. It's nothing like your bed where you don't have anything like stable to put your stuff on. So yeah, I really like my space. I'm comfortable. I can grab a snack. Everything is easy to me, so I don't get distracted. And what I don't really eat snacks, if you guys can tell by now. I really don't eat snacks that much. But if I want like crackers or something, everything is right here, easy. I have usually I pour myself a glass of water before I even start doing homework so that I don't need to get up. So make sure you have a snack with you, a water, anything like that you like to drink, that you will just focus and not, you know, lose track of time and be like, oh, I'm thirsty now, I have to get up, especially like if you're in bed or anything. But definitely finding your right study place where you're gonna do homework or study. Perfect. If you don't like, you know, people distracting you or noise, I recommend putting on headphones. Even if you're not listening to music, I personally cannot listen to music while I'm doing homework. It depends what type of work it is. If it's just busy work like copying vocabulary words, then yeah, I can. But for the most part, I don't like to listen to any music. I don't like distractions like that. I would just put on like my AirPods or anything, even if I'm not listening to music, or any headphones you have, just to limit the sound, even if they're not like sound canceling headphones, whatever works for you. So that was my last tip. Alright guys, so that concludes today's video of how to plan for a successful semester, you know, how to set up everything for a successful semester. I'm just going to keep putting it out there because it will be a successful semester. Everyone just needs to work hard, do your work, organize yourself, organize your mind, organize yourself physically with all your work. Just really get into a good mindset. Don't be distracted. You know, you can do it. Don't doubt yourself. Just work hard. If you are working your best and still not doing great, at least you could say that you tried your hardest for something. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys found it useful. And these are honestly really stuff that I do. As you guys can see, like I literally had my whole alarm system set up, but these are stuff that I do every time, whether it was in high school or now in college. I transferred all that with me to college, so it is very indeed useful and has helped me last semester. And you don't slack off, you are just on track with everything. It keeps you like on your game. So definitely use these tips and let me know how they work for you, or let me know any tips or tricks that I don't have that you guys maybe think that I will find useful. Leave them down below. And I really want to do a Q&A, so please ask me questions down below. I really want to get like an updated Q&A so you guys can learn more about me. But that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, please give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.